Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Gurumurthy, Assistant Professor of Commerce, GBC Mahavidya. This is my ninth video on GST, how to calculation of transactions value and GST. Let's have a look some other problems. So far we already discussed this kind of the problem in the previous videos also. In this video also we would like to discuss some more problems, some different adjustments. How will you get the transactions value determined under section 15 of CGST Act 2017? Contracted sales price for the delivery at buyer premises 10 lakhs. The contracted sales price includes the following element of cost. Cost of drawing and design 3000. Cost of primary packing 3500. Cost of packing at buyer request. Safety during 7500. Transport. GST at 12%. Freight and insurance charges paid from factory 20,000 place of delivery. Durable and returnable container charges included 10,000. Discount allowed as per the trade practice rupees 20,000. Selling price which include GST. Very clear that the contract sale price for delivery at buyer premises. At the buyer premises means it is an invoice price only, which include GST. Very clear that. Therefore, a GST 12%, 1,20,000 is given. Therefore, 10 lakh minus 1,20,000 GST, 8,80,000 is known as selling price excluding GST. Then you add charges separately included, nil. Less cost of durable and returnable packing included 10,000. Here is the discussions. The cost of durable and returnable package is exempted. If it is included, we have to exclude. If it is not included, we don't add the cost of durable and returnable packages expenses. Like other expenses known as a subsidy from the government is exempted if there in such kind of transactions appear in the financial statement, it is an exempted. Then services provided by RBI, very careful. Services provided by RBI, the word used by is exempted. Then services to missionaries is exempted. Be careful about these four transactions. However, services rendered to RBI is taxable. Very careful. If there is a word to is there RBI, taxable. The word for BY by is there, it is exempted because RBI cannot charge us any GST. However, in this case, cost of durable and returnable packages included, we have to exclude. Then trade practice discount 20,000, total 30,000 deducted 8,50,000. Now GST payable or it is called output tax. GST payable or it is output tax. It is interstate, the movement of goods within the state. Therefore, 8,50,000 into 6 by 100. How did you get 6? 12 divided by 2. The portion of the central government and portion of the state government comes to 51,000 respectively. Total 1,02,000, 9,52,000 total invoice. Question number 9. X Limited in Chennai sells an electronic motors on which the rate of GST applicable is 12% to ABC Limited of Bangalore rupees 15,000 on X factory basis. Other particulars are transportations and transit insurance were arranged by XYZ Limited. This was at the request of ABC Limited and amount to rupees 1,250 and 1,500 respectively. which were charged separately. A discount of rupees 1000 were given to ABC Limited on the agreed price and payment of an advance 3500 with order ignore notional interest on advance. Packing charges of motor amount 1300. The expenditure incurred by ABC Limited towards free after sales service during warranty period comes to rupees 500 per motor. Compute GST payable. Let's look into these uh, problem solutions one by one. Known as offered price 15,000. Add discount on offered price on advance. This is not a normal discount. Of course, if there is a normal discount, we have to subtract. This discount is given on the basis of advance. Whatever advance, it is a part of transaction should be included. 1000. Transportations 1250. Transit insurance 1500. Packing charges 1300. Free after sales service, there is a warranty expenses 500. Total 5550. Total transactions value 20,550. It is known as transactions between the state. The goods moved from one state to another state. Therefore, IGST will be applicable at the rate of stipulated 12%. 2466. Total transactions value known as or invoice is known as 23,060. Note: transportation and transit insurance are includable item even if it is charged separately. Therefore, yes, any discount provided as per the normal practice is allowed, as I already mentioned that. Packing charges free after the service should be included. Be careful about each and every transactions. Problem number 10. A dealer of Bangalore agreed to supply 5 computer systems to a dealer in Bidar in the month of August 2019 on the following terms. Price of each CPU central processing unit supplied inclusive GST 18% 23,600. Price of each desktop supplied exclusive GST 28% 6,000. Packing of transportations 4,000. Transport charges to recipient place charged separately in invoice 6,000. Commission paid to agent 10,000. Late fee charged to buyer for delay in payment 2,000. Supplied in the month of June. The dealer supplied along essential items along with CPU. 5 keypads supplied along with CPU 300 each at the rate of 12%. 5 mouse 350 each 12% GST. Cost of operating software for supplied all the system 50,000 GST 5%. Special discount 5,000 for given. If advance 1 lakh paid with order to buyer has to pay the advance with the order. Find the transactions value GST liability for the month of August 2019. It's very good problem. Here is we focus. It is known as principal goods because it is CPU, desktop, keyboard, mouse, all the 4 components are there. Means more than one good supplied at a time. More than one good supplied at a time, but a goods cannot function without all the support or interconnected. For example, CPU cannot work without desktop, keyboard, and mouse. Hence, it is a principal supply or blended relation. In this case, blended relationships are there that main product or the principal product GST rate will be applicable. Here the CPU is the main product. So how can we get CPU? CPU is the main product. This is also known as related product, without which can't functions. But CPU is the main product. It is known as principal product. It is a machinery. Therefore, the main product GST rate is applicable for calculating. Here, first you calculate that is common expenses. Common expenses is known as cost of operating software. All the system is required. Therefore, then commission paid, then other expenses also there have included. Price of CPU excluding GST. However, it is included GST 23,600 plus CPU, GST 18%. Therefore, 100 plus 18, 118 denominator into 100 into there is a known as 5, not one CPU, there are 5 CPU, therefore 10 lakhs. Price of desktop excluding GST 6,000 plus desktop, that is called monitor, 6,000 into 5 30,000, total 1,30,000. Common charges to all the system required is, one is packing for transportations, then commission paid to agent, transport charges to the place of delivery, and then discount is given. It is common. Total 25,000. And the list of all the cost, total cost of all the system is 1,55,000. However, cost of items supplied, 5 keypads at the rate of 300, 5 into 3, 5 mouse 350, 5 into 350. Cost of operating software in each system, each is individual, 50,000. Total known as each system is cost of operating system all together, it is not each. All the 5 system operating expenses or software cost is known as 50,000. Otherwise, we have taken under the common cost also. This is even cost of operating software. Therefore, it is 53,250. Then it is the total cost of material supplied 2,08,250. Late fee should be added 2,000. Transactions value 2,10,250. Now it is a GST payable within the state. Therefore, highest rate is even different GST is there, but it is a principal supply blended relations 18% should be taken into account. 18 divided by 9 by 9 or 9, 21 2,10,050 into 9 by 100 comes to 1,89 or 18,922.3 or 23. Accordingly, total 2,48,095 invoice price. The special discount is given as per the normal practice. Since it is, we have to, special discount is given. Why you should add the special discount is given? Because it is an advance is given. Advance is a special discount. It is a part of invoice. Therefore, it is included, not a trade discount. If it is a trade discount, I do it. Okay, because it delays 180 days more than that. Next question is known as value of mixed supply. That mixed supply, of course, we discussed already one problem. This problem will be discussed in our next video. Thank you.